Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to the 2020 Spelsberg Digital Trade Fair. My name is Andriy Prosvitz, Key Account Manager at Spelsberg, and I would like to present to you with this video a few of our top product highlights. Spelsberg is one of the leading international manufacturers in the electronics industry. Our first activity is in the sector of electrical installation and enclosure technology. Our claim is safe, inspiring, green. I'd like to talk now about our industry solutions. We offer socket distribution board and housing versions in exactly the format you need: empty, pre-wired, or ready for connection. The SDV12 series socket distribution board features a brand new optimized cable insertion. For this purpose, at the top bottom ends, the cable insertions have 3x M32 M40 knockouts. The benefit is that master cabling can be through-wired without an additional junction box. The Abox-i SL has screwless terminals from Vargo and offers the benefit of screwless connection to various cable types with different cross-sections. Up to 4x 0.5 to 10 square millimeters can be wired, rigid or flexible per pole. The high-set terminals allow fast and easy-to-see maintenance. The Abox-i SL 6 square with zero maintenance spring terminals for a compact STV9 with AFDD fire protection switch. Spelsberg offers 4 new socket boxes with AFDD fire protection switches as standard. The arc fault detection provides additional protection for broken or damaged cables. Fire protection switches are mandatory, for instance, in fire risk areas. The aim is to prevent fires. With the new generation of AK air distributors and further development of one of the most popular surface-mounted distributors on the market, we present here the AK42 Plus with an additional terminal compartment. Our 3-row distribution board is optimally designed for the installation of terminals or for industrial control equipment or warning alarm equipment which do not fit on the cap rail or from which the public require protection. The standard rails are height adjustable for rail-mounted device sizes 1 to 3 and with 150mm rail spacing with a compact design and plenty of installation space. The VDE, UL and DLG tested small distributors also feature the unique Bell air ventilation element to prevent condensate water. IP65 high protection rating and IK08 shock resistance show just how robust the halogen-free small distributors are. This emergency off switch is just one example of the high-quality design of the TG Industrial Enclosure series with an elegant high-gloss finish for all kinds of control solutions. The TG Industrial Enclosures are available in 9 different variants. Choose between a grey or a transparent lid. We are happy to supply individual printing or foil printing layouts. There are special indents in the lid for these. The smooth sidewalls offer greater flexibility. They allow flexible machining, and the sidewalls are also chargeable thanks to the modular tools. Customization is therefore extremely cost-effective. Thanks to the integrated cover retainer, everything stays together during installation. The TK-TG series industrial enclosures have been Spelsberg's bestsellers for years. Protection class IP6667, IK08, UL test symbol, halogen-free, and protection class 2 are just a few of the attributes of their outstanding industrial quality. For the simple fixing of assembly plates, standard rails, or circuit boards, there are mounting cams integrated inside the TG and TK enclosures. The use of high-quality materials and a new design make the innovative GEOS series a universal and long-lasting enclosure for indoors and outdoors. The UV and weather-resistant polycarbonate and the new innovative Drain Protect sealing system guarantee optimum protection against environmental effects. Here you can see the GEOS as a cabinet version with swivel lever or profile half cylinders lock with high protection class IP6667 and extremely high IK09 shock resistance as a multi-stage exhaust air control. The door can be opened by maintenance personnel. Inside, you can see the fittings, for example, contactors on a height-adjustable standard rail and the flexible mounting system. Smart accessories, like the LED lighting system integrated into the frame, complete the GEOS series. Terminal block enclosures with screwless terminals act as interfaces for further electrical wiring of multiple individual wires without the need to connect everything inside the control enclosure. The Spelsberg series terminal housings offer space for up to 100 terminals. Choose between screw terminals or spring cage clamps. That's it for our industrial solutions. I hope you now have a good idea about our range and that your interest in our product has been sparked. There is, of course, a lot more information on our website or this YouTube channel.